Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. For today's video, I'm a little bit nervous, but kind of excited. So the brand iMETHOD Beauty reached out to me and wanted to send me this product to try. Now, I do believe this went viral on TikTok. I'm not sure, but I do remember seeing this. I'm not sure if it was this brand, but this is the waterproof, smudge-proof, long-lasting winged eyeliner stamp for perfect wings. I thought that it would be fun to try, and yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this. I'm I'm nervous. My makeup is already done. It says 3 easy steps for perfect wings. Step 1, prep, primer, and powder. Oh, shoot. Okay, sorry. It says prep, primer, prep, primer, and powder. Step 2, stamp. Step 3, line. Okay, I thought it was telling me I was gonna have to use a product in here to primer and powder. I was about to be like, well, I can't do this. It just was telling me to go ahead and do that and then use the product. So anyways, here's the box. Here's the 2 products that it comes with. It comes with a left wing and a right wing. So this right here is the left, and I'm probably going to do the left because it's easier for you guys to see and it's easier for me to see. Now, maybe I should get a mirror. Okay. Okay, I have a mirror. I'm going to be using my Jaclyn blush palette, but I feel like this will be easier for me to use right here, and then you guys can see in there because I don't want to use the viewfinder as my mirror. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, so this is the left right here. It says left on there. I'm not, see right there. And then it tells you, it says iMETHOD Beauty. So this is the stamp right here. I'm sure how you guys can, there you go. You see that? You see the stamp? Okay, so I don't even know how to do, okay. Why? It's just makeup. Why am I so nervous? Okay. Let's see here. I filmed all my other videos previously so that if I messed all my makeup up, all those would already be done. So I just pre-filmed 3 other videos and I saved this one for last. So let's just go ahead and try this out. Okay. I'm not sure. Let's, oh my God, I'm so nervous. Okay. Did I do that right? I feel like I went way too high. Did that really just work? See, my eyes, I feel like they're so round that when I use winged liner, it looks weird. Okay, so that actually worked really incredibly fast. And the stamp is like cooling and it felt good. This is gonna be fun. I feel like a toddler. Okay, so the other side, this is what makes me nervous because I have like, I've got a steady hand until it comes time for me to do something with it where I need to be still. This is where the problem lies. Okay, so this is the tip. You can see it's very, 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 very sharp. So I'm okay. I see, I don't do this, so I don't know how to. Okay. I think I did it. Okay. This is working very well because it's so pointy. Okay, let me see. I feel like I'm drawing on my, oh my God, do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? Okay. Wow. Okay. I did it. Do you guys see? You guys see that? It looks like a velvet. I am so proud of myself right now because I was so nervous. Okay. Low-key, I would have never bought this product if it wasn't sent to me. Now, they just sent it to me to review, so 100% honesty here. I would have never bought this if it wasn't sent to me because I don't ever do eyeliner like this. But okay, let's go ahead and do the other eye and just see if it works as well because I am like really hyped about this now. Even if you just use it for the eyeliner part, that was like so precise and sharp, so it made it like really, do y'all see that? Like that is so, now I've been wearing this makeup for like 10 hours, so it could be touched up. Like I need to touch up with, if I touched up with actual eyeliner, like underneath there to kind of like complete it. And if I put on some lashes, because I have long eyelashes, but they kind of go out. All right, anyways, I'm rambling now. This worked really good, like no skipping. That's another problem I have with eyeliners is they skip. And so it like, this did not skip. Okay, let's go ahead and see if it works as well on the other eye because now I'm like excited. Okay, so here's the little right side, like so. All right, and let's just see here. I like this placement better. This placement is better than this one. Did you guys see that? Look at that perfect little tail. Look at the perfect little tail. Y'all, this was some Shark Tank shit. Like, where did this come from? Look at that. Even if you didn't, like line, like if you just kind of smudged it, that's like the perfect little tail. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Now let's go in with this side. See, this is, I'm really bad at. Okay, I jacked it up because I went too fast. But the left eye was definitely easier because I was able to do this. I can't do that over. There's no way for me to do that over here. Okay, hold on. I fixed it. I'm trying to hurry up and finish up because my husband got a new Xbox, the new Xbox last night. I know he's like ready to come in here and play. Okay, I love how pointed this is. Do you guys see this? Do y'all see this? Okay, look. This tail. Let me see if I can make this tail. Okay, I still like this side. I like this tail better, but I like the way I drew on this one better. Either way. You guys see? Okay, I'm incredibly proud of myself. I'm so glad that I did this, and I'm so glad that I was able to. Round of applause for me. Okay, you guys probably aren't as hyped as I am because that just took a lot of, what's the right word? Not encouragement, but anyways, that is that. And I'm excited, and I'm so happy I was able to. I really like the eyeliner point because it makes it so much easier to like draw. So, and the stamp does the hard part for you. So, anyways, yeah, tell me what you guys think down below. I want to know what your thoughts, or do you think this product is really gimmicky? Because I thought this product was really gimmicky, but now you see it, like, it also kind of just like brought some more like cattiness to my eyes. I'm kind of feeling it, but yeah. So anyways, once again, I will have this link down below because you guys should try it. Like, if you struggle with a wing like me, because that's why I never wear one, I like this product. So I'm going to shut up about it now. I will have a link down below, as long as I will also have my TikTok and Instagram and Poshmark down below. And while you're down there, also don't forget to subscribe and click the little notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs down if you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or go ahead and give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. And yeah, that brings me to the end of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.